solid leading here at Daytona. Once they come back, there'll be 6 to go. Oh, Smith! And turn 3, Garrett Smith is spinning around.
No caution. No caution, though.
No caution. They'll go to the race back, but he does have a tire that is down. 6 to go here in Daytona.
What a race! Some great racing. So now, what does Christopher Bell have to do?
Shane Lee in 4th.
What does Christopher Bell have to do? Will he pull it out of line? Because if he pulls it out of line,
Ryan Blaney fighting Ross Chastain for 5th.
You're right, Junior. What does Christopher Bell have to do?
You want to go with somebody
that you can get help back, and you'll have no help there. One can also push Christopher Bell. One can push
Kyle Larson with 42. Justin Allgaier pushing Ryan Blaney. Above the aerial view. 3 wide.
The one he's pulling. Oh, you see the 20. He lost a bit of momentum on the one car.
Elliott Sellers pulled out. Ryan Blaney takes 4th from Shane Lee in the 3.
Here comes the 22.
The 22. The 20. Here comes Allgaier in the 7, pushing the 22.
That is a
great push by Allgaier. He's trying to push. He pushes the 22, trying to get out. Carlos loses the top. Oh, that was so close that they made contact. Christopher Bell loses the bottom. Thought the 42 is going to go up and pass him, but he's going to take 2nd away.
Here comes the 22. The outside.
Elliott trying to block. Here comes Ryan Blaney to the 22. Blaney, Larson, Elliott all fighting for the lead here at Daytona. Blaney has the edge, but Salvador trying to fight back. The 42 takes the lead away. Kyle Larson takes the lead away. What a power move by Kyle Larson.
Yeah, what a
4 laps to go here at Daytona.
The next lap, there's got to be a wreck.
Justin Haley at 24, pushing, almost pushing the Southern Rail guy, trying to make sure he gets up there with the pack.
If this keeps happening, you know it's going to probably be a wreck on the next lap. But when will that crash happen?
Allgaier getting a push from Justin Haley in the 24.
Oh,
pushing his teammate Allgaier. He's going to bail. Allgaier leaks his teammate. Now they're side by side for 2nd. It's what Carlos wants to see, is the 1 and the 7 fight for 2nd.
Yeah, Rick, this is what that picture wants to see.
Up in the mix. Justin Haley as well. Wouldn't it be a miracle if the 24 wins here at Daytona?
This would be a miracle, Rick. If the 24 did win.
Josh Williams in the wall. The 16, the 39. Caution comes out. The 36 gets tagged. Crash on the front straightaway. That's Ryan Sink. Cole Custer with heavy damage.
That double zero hit hard. It's good to see him moving around.
He is moving around in the car.
That is a great sight, Rick, is to see him moving around in the car. You're right, that is a good sign.
Wow, 93 of Jeff Green is tore up. Ryan Reed has climbed out of his race car.
16 cars destroyed as well.
Cole Custer has dropped the runner down.
That is a good sign. That was good. Was him to drop the runner down, because that was a big crash for Cole Custer. There he is with the winner net down.
Taking off his helmet. The AMR safety team are there. Taking off his Hans device.
Look at the car.
Alright, let's see what happened. There's Cole Custer in the 00.
Oh, 4 wide.
Oh, they're 4 wide, Steve. And then 4 wide just doesn't work here at Daytona.
No, 4 wide just doesn't work, and you see right there, and
that's a hard hit for Cole Custer in the 00.
As well as Josh Williams in the 90 as well.
Jeff Green 93. Now someone comes down and clips the 36 of Alex LeBay. He slides, but just could not catch that 36 car around.
That was the 38 J.J. Yaley who clipped him.
This is on board with Cole Custer. Oh, that is a hard hit for Cole. Thank goodness he was okay. Yeah, he was okay.
Out of the car.
Oh, wow! Almost flipped over. Someone came down and clipped the 36 of Alex LeBay. That's the 01 starting in Vinnie Miller.
Jeff Green in the 38, Rick.
Josh Williams and Cole Custer take the biggest hit of all, as well as Jeff Green.
Yeah,
And this is Ryan Reed in the 16 almost flipped over. And Steve, we've seen it too many times here at Daytona. Just seeing cars flip over. Yeah, we just seen it too many times, and thankfully NASCAR has put in safety where cars don't go upside down, the roof flaps and the hood flaps.